how to earn free crypto in Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to earn money using Bybit. So if you want to get free crypto on Bybit, so there is some ways on how to get the free crypto in Bybit. So best method is to get crypto on Bybit by using the reward hub. So reward hub is a section in Bybit where it allows you to complete some tasks in the Bybit app and get rewarded by the Bybit itself. So let me show you step by step how to start earning by the reward hub in the Bybit. So after you open the Bybit app, go to your profile at the top left side. After you go to your profile, the next thing to do, you scroll to down and tap on this option. So after you tap on the reward hub, so as you can see now, there is now 3 options in the reward hub. So if you look at the top, now there is event, there is tax, and there is the reward. So if you want to get the reward, all you have to do now, you can tap on this event button. After you go to the event, so if you scroll to down, as you can see now, the event means there must be some event that is currently like ongoing in the Bybit app. So they give you like a quiz for many people to go and participate in that event. If you are lucky among those that Bybit choose, you'll be able to get rewarded in the Bybit app. So if you look at this one, it says protect your first copy trade. So he says enjoy up to 100 USDT, lose coverage. So now, as you can see now, if you look at this option now, the period of this reward, so here as you can see now, here is how it has like the date to end. So this reward will be ended in the 2026, that's 1st January. In the 1st January of 2026, the reward will be ended. So if you look at this option now, they have a period of time to complete. And if you want to just try for the tax section, so you just tap on this option where it says tax. So for the tax, if you come to the tax, Bybit is used to give you some tax to complete. After you complete the tax, so from there they will give you a reward. So if you want to just participate in any of these tax, as you can see now, just tap on this accept button. After you tap on the accept button, so from there they will give you the terms and conditions to complete the tax. After you completed the tax, so from there they will reward you with free USDT in the Bybit app. So just scroll down and choose the one that you want to join. And the last one is the reward. So if you tap on this reward button, as you can see, it says P saver, lucky draw, and fee. As you can see now, all this as you can see now, if you complete them, you'll be able now to get the reward. But in my Bybit app now, all these reward are expired. As you can see now, here it says expired. But if they are active, they'll give you, as you can see now, like start button in this option now. By tapping on the start button, after you complete, you'll be able to get like 5 USDT, 1 USDT, 0.1 USDT, just like if you just look at them, just like depending on the tax that they give you. And that's it, guys. If you want to earn the free USDT in the Bybit or free crypto in the Bybit, just go and follow this method that I show you now. You'll be able now to earn the free USDT in the Bybit. So you can follow the reward or tax, or if you want, you can just go to the event. So the event is most active. Most of the time, they just give you a like some tax in an event section, like in the end of the year or first of the year or quarter 1 or quarter 2 or quarter 4 of the year. So they'll just give you some event and just go and participate. After you participate, if you are lucky, you'll be get rewarded in the Bybit app. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.